Hello and welcome back to the workshop. Today we're going to be talking about the Elton and the Fardon panels. So this is the Fardon panel that you can see here, and this is a privacy panel. They're solid, there's no gaps. And this is the Elton panel you can see here that has the gaps in the fence. Both of these panels come in 300mm section, so 1 foot, 300 millimeters high. And you can mix and match these two together to build your fence. All of these panels at the end are already built up with a 50mm section here. That means that they'll fit into any standard H post. You can fit them into concrete posts, timber posts, and the mode post as well. So I can just show you on this one here, where this is the mode post, and that would just slide into the mode post. And then what you have is you have the mode trims that fit on, and you can create any color of post you like from the mode range of trims. And it's just as simple as that. Basically, from the mode post, you can see the fixings here, and these fixing holes will just screw directly with self-drilling screws into the aluminium panel. You also get a capping rail with the system as well, and the capping rail just sits on top and is bonded to the top when you finish the fencing. I said before that the panels, they come pre-assembled in sort of sections of 300mm. And if I just turn this over, you can see the fixing screws here. If you need to, at any point in time, shorten the length of these panels, basically unscrew these screws, take this off, trim the bores to whatever length you want, fit that back on, and you're ready to go. You can see here these securing bushes here. They help you guide and fit these together. And what I'm going to do is demonstrate how these panels go together and how easy it is to build up the fence. As you can see, what I've done now, I've just fitted 2 of these panels together. So you can see the 2 sections here and clip them together. When you put them together, basically, I use a simple rubber mallet, just knocking them down, because there is a tongue and groove section, and it's meant to be tight. That holds the panels together, and that keeps it nice and strong. What I'm going to do is simply show you how easy it is. So I'm going to also take the Elton screen and fit this into position. That's it. So you can imagine, obviously, the post will be on this side. You can build up this panel. So you can position these at any point. So you can have this in the middle of the fence, at the top of the fence, like a trellis. Once you've done that, then simply finish it off with the capping rail. So this can be a sort of low level fence at 1 meters or up to 2.1 meters. Everything built up in 300mm sections. You can see from the panel itself, it's got a textured black surface, which looks really smart. And the trims from mode fence posts, they all match together. The panels are standard at 6 foot, 1.825 meters, or 6 foot. And again, they will replace any existing standard timber panel. It's a very strong system, very secure, and basically lasts a lifetime in terms of the 25-year guarantee that comes with all the mode parts. So you don't need to worry about any of the sort of surface deteriorating. If you need any more information, don't forget you can contact us via the website on www.modefencing.co.uk. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to these videos. I hope you find this really useful. And any comments just, about information that you want or things I've missed out, just let me know.